Following the Cabinet decision of 4th July 2022 on the demands of ad hoc school teachers of the state, the teaching fraternity under the banner of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, have expressed their dissatisfaction at the announcement of the government, which to them is intended to divide the teaching class. The spokesperson of Fastom, Lingdo, termed the decision of the cabinet on the enhancement of salary of ad hoc teachers as an insult which cannot be accepted. He added that the teachers who have been camping on the streets for days altogether have not been granted their rightful demands, even after having met concerned authorities of the Education Department and members of the cabinet from time to time. Lingdo informed that the teachers will only be able to announce their decision on the cabinet approval on their demands after a meeting that will be held on the 5th July at 10 a.m.
The decision that was taken by the cabinet meeting today. It is very clear that not even a single teacher who is present here is happy. We feel insulted for how the government has chose to take this blatant decision without taking us into consideration. We are thoroughly disappointed. If you go back to the earlier years, every time the government takes a decision on the salary of the teachers, it will always take the leaders into confidence, and it will be the leaders first who will know how much we get, and then the press will come to know. But now we do not know how much we are getting, but we get the news from the press. This is not how a democracy works. This is not how a democracy looks like. This is not what democracy should be. So we cannot come to a decision whether we should take what the government has given us or whether we should not take. Today, we will also examine what we should do, what decision should be taken, and we will ask from the teachers tomorrow. It will be based on their decision that we will come to the final decision. What steps should we take? But the steps that the teachers will be taking tomorrow, I want all of you to be clear. What steps do you choose to take? Why do you choose to take? And you also think of whether the steps that you will be taking is good for you, is good for your fellow teachers or not. So today, what you can do is, you can watch the news, just like I said the other day. Watch the news. Watch the news, understand the situation, digest it, and tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. we will have a decision that will be taken from you.